When we first got our hands on the Samsung Galaxy S20 range, it was a super secret location hidden under lock and key, which was wise because we sent the kind of presenter that shouldn't really be let out during daylight hours. As a more presentable presenter, I've been sent to this more sophisticated setting to get to know the Samsung Galaxy S20. Increasingly, phones have been focused more on their cameras, but it's hard to remember a time when phone cameras have taken such a giant leap. All three S20 models feature at least 3 rear cameras, a front-facing camera, and incredible space zoom. Take the S20 Ultra 5G for example. Its camera array is headlined by a massive 108 megapixel wide angle. And there's a brilliant new feature that shows off the variety of cameras called single take. Go into single take mode, take a picture, and you'll be prompted to try different angles. What you end up with is a gallery of different pics and videos made for sharing. The AI will even pick out your best effort. Now, let's talk zoom. The Ultra comes packing a massive 100x space zoom. Zooming in that far can get a bit disorientating, but this viewfinder in the corner will keep you on track. All this means epic close-ups with more brilliant clarity than ever before. I have to say, were I a professional photographer, I'd be a bit worried. Switch over to video and you might even give Hollywood movie makers a run for their money. Without knowing a thing about film, you can shoot an 8K resolution at a huge 24 frames per second, while keeping all the action smooth thanks to the Super Steady 2.0 technology. Are you worried, crew? But what's the point in shooting glorious footage if you haven't got the screen to match? And the Samsung S20 range doesn't disappoint there either. Every model comes with its iconic edge-to-edge Infinity O display. So whether you're watching home movies or your favorite flicks, the S20 is like carrying around a mobile movie screen. And you think that screen is just for films and photos? Think again. Gamers haven't been forgotten either. It's the combined chipset of the Exynos 990 processor plus all the RAM you could want to make games run like a dream. And each model has plenty of space to run them on, with the option to add even more. Of course, all these features need power, and the S20's big batteries have your back. Their super fast charging will have you fully powered and ready to go in no time. And speaking of speedy, if you're excited for lightning fast 5G, you couldn't be better equipped than with one of these in your pocket. The S20 5G, S20 Plus 5G, and the S20 Ultra 5G, the S20 range, are all built with super fast 5G.